my large bird bath. Places for them to drink water with lots of shallow depths, stones to stand on. Fresh water coming up from the tank below, which is housing the fish. Comes along there, goes down that hole, back into the fish tank. When it shuts off, this is on a timer, so every now and then it will close and the water will just drain. That's it, that stops flowing. Water stays in there, plenty for them to drink, so as the cycle goes, fresh water will fill, old water will go down. It goes down into the fish tank, which is housing the happy fish, which is pumped by a FX6 pump. And next to it is the amazing dog crate bird feeder. The birds eat and they drink, and the fish are happy. Hope you liked. Thanks for watching. And the pump should come on any moment.